Hey, welcome to She Can Make It. My name is Candice, and I'm going to show you how I make my world better through 3D printing. A little backstory: about 5 years ago, we got our first 3D printer. It was an Anycubic Ender clone, and it was bad. It had a small print bed. It had terrible bed leveling issues. Like, we were always fighting with that, but we had fun with it. It was our first one. So we were actually set up in this room. We had this room set up kind of like a maker lab. And then we took in a family member and so that little printer went into storage about 4 years ago, and it's been sitting there ever since. So about 3 months ago, my husband told me he had been reading about this new, well, it's not really that new, the Bambu A1 3D printers, and just how good they were now. And the price was right, so we decided to buy one. So it came in, and I pretty much set that thing up by myself, just following a YouTube video. It was pretty easy. It was not hard to put together at all. I was pretty surprised. And let me tell you, I'm in love with this thing. First of all, the bed leveling, not a problem anymore. This thing, it automatically levels the bed every time. We have it set up to do that every single time, probably from the issues we had before. So yeah, I have it to where it just levels every time we do a print. And love the print surface on it. I mean, there's bigger ones now, but for us, this is big enough. The main thing I loved about it, first off, was the app that Bambu has for these printers. It is so easy to use. Anyone could use it. So I wanted to show y'all just how easy it is to use. So I've picked out a fairly simple print. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to use the app to send it to the printer, but come on over here and take a look at our printers. As you can see, we actually ended up getting the second one because we loved it so much. That's George, and this is Ringo. We're going to be printing on Ringo today. And I picked out a cat figurine that we're going to print, and I think it would look really good in like a dark matte PLA. So I'm going to get rid of this light gray that we have in here now. So I'm going to take that out. Come on over here and grab the color that I need. I'm going to use this dark blue. It looks really nice for like simple prints that have simple but detail. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, we're just going to load this sucker up. Pop it on there. Just feed it in. Just push it in a little bit, and the machine just, you can see it just starts feeding it in for you. Alrighty, so I've got the app opened up. It's the Bambu Handy app right here. We're just going to tap on it. And I've already added it to my collections, like my favorites. And here it is right here. This is what we're going to print. This cat figurine here. Pretty cool lines on it. And it's not a huge print, so it'll only take a few hours, I think. We're going to hit prepare to print. And next. And we're going to select our printer. Now remember, we're using Ringo, so we're going to go up here and we're going to change that to Ringo. We've got it changed to Ringo, and now we need to select our filament. Now the one we just loaded is not showing on there, and there's a reason for that. Bambu has these chips in their PLA spools that when you load them, it automatically recognizes the color, the type, everything. This is not Bambu filament, so we have to go over to the machine and actually kind of load it in there. And so we're going to tap on that one and hit edit. We're going to select our filament. This is actually Overture filament. It's a matte PLA, and we're going to select the color. And the colors are not always what you have, so I just do like a blue just to let me know there's a blue in there. And then you'll see in just a second it's going to pop up right here showing that it loaded. And there it goes. So now we're good to go. We're going to go back to the app, and let's see, I might have to, there it is. It's showing up on there now. So we're going to select that color, and we're going to hit start print. And so it's communicating with the printer. It's sending the print job over, and you can see over here on the screen of the printer, it's loading up that cat figurine. Okay, I also wanted to show y'all, this is the other features I love about these printers. I told you we have it set up for automatic bed leveling. So it's doing this little pre-print thing. It just honed, it comes back here and it hones in. I'm not sure what it's doing there. And then you'll see it kind of, it'll pull the filament through, and it kind of tests the filament beforehand. And it'll also come in and do some bed leveling. It's really cool. So right now, it shows you on the screen what it's doing at that moment. Right now, it's just heating up the bed and the print head. So it's getting all those heated up so it can do, and we'll be back. I'll be back in just a second too. Oh, here we go. It's already done. It's pushing the new filament. So you're going to see it. This is a pretty dark filament. It may not show up, but it's kind of pushing it through, and it's going to calibrate the filament. And we'll give that just a minute. All right, so it's finished purging that old filament, and now it's going to start the calibration. That was purging any old filament that was in there, and now it's starting the calibration. All right, I'm kind of watching along with here. It's doing a quick vibration compensation. It's giving the print bed a once-over. Now we're on the tool head cleaning stage. It's quite a to-do to get ready to print. It goes through all these things, and we could turn some of them off, but we just choose to do it every time. This is my favorite part. It's brushing its teeth. All right, now it's doing the bed leveling. It's just going to go around and touch the bed and see if it's level. And I guess if it's not level, that kind of compensates the print to account for that, as I'm assuming what happens. Okay, so it's finished all of its pre-printing fiasco, and it's bringing it back up to temp to where it needs to be to start the print. So as soon as it gets up to the temperature it needs to be, you can see it's going to lay out a line of filament just to kind of purge and make sure it's good to go, and then it starts up. So I want y'all to come over here and listen how quiet this machine is. Every once in a while, if it's like really getting at it, it can get a little loud. I mean, just a little loud. It doesn't get loud, but it's pretty quiet for the most part and pretty smooth. All right, enjoy this video of the cat getting printed. All right, our little cat, here he is. I think he came out pretty good, or she. I think it's a he though, because it's blue. I don't know. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and come back and see some more. I'm going to be making more videos, and I have some things in mind I want to print and show you. Things that'll make my world either prettier or more fun or even more useful things. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.